So, welcome to today's walking tour. This is a beach walking tour, so I'm not going to say too much. I'm currently in Zante. I'm here to shoot a friend's wedding. This is where the wedding's being held, up in this hotel here, overlooking the beach. So, I'll be there in a few days. So tomorrow, tonight we've got a stag do, and tomorrow we have a pre-wedding shoot. So I'm just going to do a little walking through the beach, starting from here, Barracuda, and I'm going to walk along the beach as far as I can possibly get. So come and join me on my walk. We've got jet skis for hire. And that's let's just take my sandals off and see how warm this water actually is. So we're filming this in the middle of September. Oh, well, it's quite pleasant actually. It's warm enough for a swim anyway. We've got bits of master hire, paddles, bags, safety jackets. We've got a lounge at one of the bars. Get yourself one of these sunshades. A few cocktails. Soak up the sunshine. A little bit of beach art. If you are driving here, there's spots for parking your car in. The airport's quite close. You're going to see the plane coming over. Let's have a snack from one of the bars. There is a lifeguard on, and just over here. I did see him earlier. Looking for more solid ground to walk on. Sorry, the camera remote's a bit wobbly. Yeah, that's the lifeguard there, just chilling underneath his station in the shade. Let's see, it looks quite shallow here, so if you've got young kids, perfect. I'm glad I put my sun cream on. I'm boiling. Feels like maybe 26, 27 today. So, looks like these are €15 for a set. And, camp out next to the sea. Pays your money, you get yourself a shade. That's something to sit on. I bought myself a little tripod grip and it's turned out to be absolutely useless. Doesn't hold the camera at all. I was looking to get one of the gimbals for this phone. I'm shooting on a Pixel 8 Pro, and the gimbals don't support it. But the software and the phone's too heavy, and the grip that grabs the phones for the Pixel 8 Pro, the buttons are in all the wrong places. So I'm struggling to find a decent gimbal. The onboard image stabilization is actually very, very good, but I just like to raise it to the next level. Unfortunately, this little gimbal I bought from probably China, it's turned out to be okay as a mini little tripod, or maybe a selfie stick, but absolutely useless for filming. I was finding when I was filming in other countries like Thailand, where I've done quite an extensive amount of vlogs there in Khao Lak and Phuket, holding the phone was you get your fingers in the way of the lens, and also the phone is overheating somewhat because your hands all over it. So I wanted something to give me more image stabilization, more balance, and a really steady shot. But unfortunately, as of yet, I can't find anything for this particular phone. For the iPhones, there's loads of options. But yeah, we've got more stuff to hire here. I'm just going to go up and see the prices actually. So we've got a bit of music on, so I'm not going to stay too long. I don't want a copyright strike. But there you go. Those are all the prices of all the water sports. More lifeguards on. Hey, you've got your speedboat there. There's lots of these beach bars here where you can rent yourself a soft, comfortable bed for the afternoon. Good hat. At this point, this is one of the roads that comes down from the centre. Looks like you can't get too much further down here. I'll walk down as far as I can. And if you walk at my pace, well, you'll know exactly how long it takes to walk from one side of the beach to the other. I'm probably going to do a few hotel walkthroughs while I'm here. I'm only here for 5 days, and one of the days I'll be shooting a wedding, so I won't get that much opportunity, but I'll just pick a few of the big resorts and just do a walkthrough like I've done on my other previous locations. This place looks really busy. So yeah, I've just completed a walkthrough, which I'll put a link to at the end of this video. Walking through all the streets during the day. It looks like the place is quite quiet, and obviously you can understand why, because everyone's just chilling on the beach today. I'll do a night walking tour of all the bars and the restaurants on the main strip, give you an indication of how busy it gets this time of year, which is mid-September. Yeah, so they're taking the lifeguards situation quite seriously. We've got another lifeguard station here. Yeah, quick pan round of where we've just come from. So we started off right over there, just on that cliff edge. I'm going to put my flip-flops on because it's getting quite stony on this part of the beach. And obviously, if you don't want to pay for a set of umbrellas and chairs, you can just bring your towel and just chill on your towel. Still plenty of space. As you get to this restaurant here, hotel bar, whichever, the beach seems to be coming to a natural conclusion. Yeah, and I don't think I can get much further than this. I'll show you the prices of the massage here if you want one. Okay, I'll conclude the video here. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe, helps my channel. I will do a little walk through. There's a small harbour over here, so I'm gonna have a little walk through there and see what's there, and do a little video vlog on that. Okay, thank you for watching.